How to close gaps in vinyl plank flooring. Today we're going to cover 3 simple yet effective options I've used to close gaps in vinyl plank flooring when it has separated. Vinyl plank flooring is a great option for many homes, but it can be susceptible to gapping, especially in areas with temperature fluctuations. This is because vinyl is a flexible material and it can expand and contract as the environment changes. This floor is in a sunroom that is not temperature controlled, and it gets very hot in the summer and very cold in the winter. Of course, when you move one plank to close a gap in it, it can cause another gap down the row, so just keep closing them all the way to the end until the final gap is under your baseboard. Before we jump into the solutions, remember cleanliness is key. Grab your trusty shop vac with the bristle attachment and get deep into these gaps. Follow it up with some dust cleaning gel to make sure no fine particles remain in there. This will help to make sure that the plank moves smoothly and closes up completely. And with any of these solutions, be careful not to apply too much force when closing the gap, as it could damage the flooring. If you're having trouble closing the gap, just try using one of the other methods here. Alright, let's get started with method number 1. For this, you'll need a scrap of wood, some drawer liner or grip mat, and a rubber mallet or hammer. Just be careful if you choose to use a hammer not to damage your floor. Take that grip mat and place it on the plank you want to move, and lay your scrap wood on top of the grip mat. This is where some people suggest double-sided tape or duct tape instead of grip mats, but I steer clear of adhesives to avoid any potential damage to these planks. The grip mat should provide sufficient hold. As you can see on this scrap piece of flooring, there's only a thin layer on top that gives the wood look, so I stay away from putting any adhesives on it. Now with your knee on the board, give it a gentle tap with the mallet in the direction you want it to move. So that's option 1, and there are a lot of ways to go about it, and it's all about just applying force in the right direction or applying leverage in a different way. On to method number 2. For this one, you'll need a suction cup. I use one of those shower suction cups that are commonly used as an extra handle, or any other strong suction cup with a handle. Apply it to the plank you want to move, and give the suction cup handle a gentle tap on the end with your rubber mallet. And last but not least, we have the shoe method, a classic favorite. Slip on a tennis shoe with a good rubber sole and place your foot on the plank, and give it a firm kick or two to close the gap. And that's it, just a few quick and easy options to help you get those floorboards back together. If you need any of the tools used in this video, you can find them in the description below. And once again, be sure to share this with anyone that might need it, and hitting that subscribe button really helps me out too. Thanks for watching.